Meet the Nexgrill Deluxe 6-burner gas grill with stainless steel side burner, the grill that's fit for a feast. With a simple battery-operated electronic ignition, you turn on the gas, turn on the knobs, and let the indulgence begin. Up to 72,000 total BTUs of fire roasting energy means quick, convenient, controlled heating. 786.5 square inches of main cooking space provides a massive cooking surface that can accommodate up to 36 burger patties. Beneath the cooking surface, a consistent cooking power system works to distribute heat evenly. Durable, angled stainless steel flame tamers help to reduce flare-ups and shield stainless steel burners. And long-lasting matte-finished porcelain cast iron cooking grids deliver reliable performance and easy cleaning, feast after feast. On one side, a stainless steel side burner gives you the versatility to simmer, sauté, and boil. To the other side, a stationary shelf for extra prep or service space. Every Nexgrill Deluxe grill is shipped to use with liquid propane gas, but is manufactured with special dual-energy gas control valves that allow for easy conversion to natural gas. Meet your next grill, the Nexgrill Deluxe 6-burner gas grill with stainless steel side burner.